When it comes to hot Italians, steak and cheese, classic tuna salad, and more, NEPA's got your hoagie fix. Check out these 5 hotspots. Berlew's Hoagies in Moosic has been a sandwich staple since 1945. Whether it's the original Berlew's American or tuna, this place hasn't missed a beat in decades. If you're looking for more of an old-school Italian hoagie joint, Catalano Importing Company in Scranton is the spot. Their popular hot or mild Italian hoagies are tried and true local favorites. Cindy's Deli in Lehighton has perfected the timeless art of hoagie simplicity. From the rolls to the pickles to the veggies and seasoning, it's all about building layers of flavor. At Nick's Big Belly Deli in Scotrun, they're stacking hoagies with beautifully ridiculous mountains of meat, cheese, veggies, and more. Just don't forget the napkins. Philadelphia Subs in Wilkes-Barre dishes out classic cheesesteaks and an extensive menu of cold subs. Don't sleep on their signature cheesesteak dressed in tangy marinara. Tell us your favorite hoagie stop and visit DiscoverNEPA.com for more.